Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today have the great pleasure of being back on board the beautiful Ovation of the Seas. This is one of the accessible junior suites here on board. I'll take you through the space in a moment, but before we get started, when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity or Silver Sea, reach out to the experts at Harr Travel or book it right on HarrTravel.com. We know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, this is a junior suite, which means it's C-class here on board. You'll have some wonderful upgrades in the room itself, and then you'll also be able to dine in Coastal Kitchen restaurant based on availability in the evenings. Now, your Harr Travel advisor can guide you through all the amenities. Let's tour the suite now. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, I wanted to point out that you have an extra wide entryway. You also have the automatic door. So you press the button from the inside, it'll open it out, or you use your key card from the outside. And I do love that they have the power door built in. Now for the bathroom, you're also gonna find that it's a bit wider here as well. As we get inside, you're gonna have a large double vanity, a great feature. You also have a US plug here. I really appreciate that they have a tub. You don't see that very often in the accessible suites. So you've got wraparound bars here that you can utilize as well, and an emergency pole. Now as we continue through, the toilet's tucked just behind. You do have grab bars on two sides. I wish there was a third one here. And then for the shower, I do like that you've got the built-in shower seat with the controls immediately to your side. Just about everybody should be able to access. The soaps are a little bit higher up, but they also have ones that you can utilize here as well. Now, adjustable shower wand to utilize, and throughout all of it, you do have those smooth thresholds that roll over. Now, as we step into the room here, you're gonna have your vanity to get ready, 2 US plugs, 2 USBs, and a European plug, and a large backlit mirror, along with the hairdryer they'll provide. Here you've got your mini fridge underneath, Lavazza coffee maker. It's one of those great upgrades for the junior suite. I do love that as I start my day at home with an Italian espresso. I could do that here as well. You've got the sofa. Some of them do pull out and have trundles that will roll out underneath, so you'll have a total of 4 people that can sleep in this junior suite. For that, you also are gonna have storage on the side with the drawers, and then across you've got the bed together in the large Royal King configuration. It does separate apart into 2 twins, and if that's your preference, just let your Harr Travel advisor know and they'll note the record. You've got space underneath the bed to tuck your large bags away. You have a pull cord on this side as well for emergency, and a US plug. Now on either side, they do have storage. As I open this up, you'll see that you have hanging storage up above. They also have a pole where that can pull down and utilize it from a lower level. You'll have hanging storage just to the side. They'll also provide those comfy bathrobes and slippers to utilize throughout. And then on the other side, you've got more storage here, hanging storage across, shelves down below, and drawers as well. Now the safe is hidden just next to the sofa. You've got a small drawer there that you can take advantage of. And right in between, you'll find the flat panel TV. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television or movies on demand. And you can angle that at the bed, or you can angle it right at the sofa. So out on your balcony, you've got 2 comfy chairs here. They recline. They also have ottomans and a cocktail table in between. And I wanted to point out that as you come out of the room, you do have a built-out wooden ramp here. So it's not quite as smooth there, but I like that you have the ramp up inside and outside, and there's a decent-sized turning radius here. Now, when you're ready to book this particular room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silver Sea, reach out to the experts at Harr Travel or book it right on HarrTravel.com. We know we can craft your perfect cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an amazing value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.